starting to feel like fall. Woo! Happy first day of fall, guys. Look how beautiful it is. I just wanted to make a video documenting the first day of fall and the beauty of early fall that is in southwestern Pennsylvania, where I'm from. I am on my morning walk. There's my path behind me, dotted with those beautiful yellow flowers. It is just beautiful. It is a crisp, beautiful fall day. It's about 67 degrees. Me and Dozer are enjoying our walk, and I love fall. It is my absolute favorite season. So I just thought it'd be so fitting to make a video just documenting early fall and the beauty that is around me on a daily basis living here in southwestern Pennsylvania on the very first day of fall. I hope that your fall season is wonderful. I hope it's beautiful. I hope it's bright. I hope it's warm and cozy and has many nights of bonfires and s'mores and roasting hot dogs and all the fun things that fall brings. Look at my beautiful boy being patient and waiting for me to finish our walk. He's just sitting there being all Dozer. It is absolutely beautiful today, and I am loving it. Happy fall, guys. I love you, and I really hope that you enjoy this video, my ode to fall. Love you guys.
Follow me out down to the bay. Forget all the worries when you're with me. Let every wave gently kiss away.
can't jump at me.
Jump at her.
Look at this guy. Check him out. He's huge. I put my hand by him, but I think he wants to jump. Look at him. Hello, little fella. You're pretty cool, guy. You're huge. Stay. Don't you jump at me, man. Wah! You will see me freak the heck out, man. It's gonna look so weird without all the corn. But he's still at it. He has to do all that back there. All that back there yet. Here he comes, I think, for another swipe. This is so wild. I know you guys are like, Missy, it's just corn.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my ode to fall. It is my absolute favorite time of the year, like I said earlier, and I just wanted to capture some of the beauty that I have seen over the past few weeks leading up to the very first day of fall with you guys, because I just love this style of video photography and I love filming all of this. I love being out in nature. I just love seeing all of this. So I just thought it'd be fitting to share it with all of you guys for the first day of fall. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and it gives you all of the fall vibes and get you prepared for the upcoming fall season, because I am ready. Bring on the cool days, the cool nights, the bonfires. I am so ready. And these corn stalks, guys, look how tall they are. I'm 5'6". They're tall. And they make a very eerie noise in the wind. These are the corn stalks behind my house that the farmer has not taken down yet. And they go way back there. I thought I'd share them with you. I love looking at all this. It's just amazing to me. So again, thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I love you, and I hope that you have a wonderful fall of 2021. Love you guys, but know that Jesus loves you so much more, and I'm so appreciative to every single one of you. You guys make this channel great. You guys bring me so much joy and so much happiness. I'm just in all the fall lovey feels today, and I just wanted to share it all with you. Love you guys.
In your head.